Doggy dentist. Here we go. We got the floss to the twine to the leash.
Matty Boosh.
You have to keep your mouth open and up.
Doggy dentist.
Stop touching it with your teeth.
Come on. Get him, Manny. Get him.
It got it!
It came out? It came out. Let's see. Hey-o!
Give me 5.
Nice.
There it is.
Maybe you don't need it.
Here you go.
Oh, that wasn't bad at all. I was like, no, because it was so loose.
Here you go. Who wants it?
Mano, it's good boy.
Manners, you're finally good for something.
Oh, good boy,
He's
Mano.
the official dentist.
Let me see, bud. Let's see what we got. Give me a looks or doodles. It ain't even bleeding? That's pretty good. Let me see. Go ahead. Look at me. Doggy dentist.